Tonight, I asked God to show me his face. You know what God said? This is Peter Gracey, poet and author, and in collaboration with Jamaicans.com, I bring you this piece I wrote called Tonight I Asked God. Tonight I asked God to show me his face. Then my face felt outside in. Tonight I asked God to show me heaven. And God said, look within. Tonight I asked God, why should I look within? He said, not to walk by sight. Only by faith you will see my face, because in heaven there's nothing to hide. Okay? So tonight I asked God how to walk by faith. He said to always keep him in mind. He said, don't worry about sinning. No one is perfect. Try to keep a clean heart and I'll be fine. So tonight I asked God, how do I cleanse my heart? He said, my heart was already cleansed. It's the memories I created to feed the ego's mind, and my ego is not my friend. Okay, so tonight I asked God how to banish my ego. He said, look within and walk by faith and trust me with a clean heart and I'll show you heaven and then you'll see my face.